Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to the first time on my corner of the internet. My name is Sunny. For those of you who don't know me, I upload travel, style, and beauty videos here on YouTube. And today I thought I would do a little pack with me. I'm headed to Vegas for my birthday, and so I was like, I'll do a little pack and prep with me or whatever. So yeah, I have some Amazon packages that I need to actually open up because my potential birthday dress is in those packages. And you know, it's me, so we're doing things last minute. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe for more future content. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright, so here are all of my little Amazon packages that I got. Quite a bit. And so I got some new shapewear because I can't find the one I bought last year to save my life. So got some new shapewear. And then I got some stuff to decorate the hotel room because I want to take some cute pictures and stuff while we're in Vegas, so I got some decorations. This is a dress, I think, that just shipped by itself apparently. Oh yeah, okay. So, oh, that's really cute. Okay, so this is actually a one shoulder dress, so looks like that'll back up a little bit. And there's like one shoulder tie. Super cute. All of these dresses are black except for, I think, one of them. One of them is like hot pink. But I really wanted to do a black dress for my birthday, so that's what we're doing. I got this little number. It's like off the shoulders with like pleats. I'm thinking I should have like maybe sized down in this one. I think I got it in 2X. Maybe I should have just did the 1X, but we'll see. We'll see how this looks. Alright, and then I got this really like kind of like sexy black slip dress. This dress comes in so many colors and it actually goes up to a 5X. So if you're looking for like a nice kind of like dress for like your birthday or like even like for like a wedding or something, I'll link all the dresses that I picked up down below. But yeah, this one, I'm excited to try this one on. Alright, and then we have one more black dress. This is the last black dress, I believe. And this one's more casual, so I was thinking I can either like maybe wear it like daytime, like on my birthday. But it's like this, and then there's like little cutouts on the side. There's no way that that's looking like what it's supposed to look like because I'm wearing gloves, so you can't really tell. But it's a little black dress, and it has like cutout on the sides. So yeah, so that is the last black dress. Okay, so I did order two. I was looking at my Amazon cart, and it was like, there's two coming, and I was like, I swear I only ordered one, but apparently I ordered two of these. They're the same exact dress, so we're just gonna open one. I gotta return that one, obviously. So then I got this pink slip dress, but with this one, it's like, so this really pretty hot pink color, but with this one, it has strings on the side, so you can like tie them up and make it like shorter on the sides and stuff. So I thought this would be cute because while that black one's long, I thought I could do like a short pink number, you know? So yeah, got this one. And then the last thing in here is, oh, I got a clutch. I was like, what the heck is this? Because I don't have any like nice like going up. Sorry, my niece decided to come in that she needed to show me. She needed to come sniff all my perfumes. Anyways, where were we at? Oh, the bag. Okay, yeah. So as I was saying, I don't have any like nice like going out bags or like stuff to wear with like cute dresses. So I got this little bag off Amazon, and I think that's big enough. Yeah, I just wanted something that's gonna be big enough to also fit my camera. So looks like that. Not bad. Kind of cute. Or you can do it like I guess like a shoulder bag. This is the pink one. It's not bad, but I don't know that I love it either. Here's the first black dress. It's not bad, but it's also like not Vegas. Like it goes down to my knees. Like I thought it was gonna be shorter. Like if it was shorter, I feel like it'd be cuter and more like what I was looking for. But right now it's just kind of like there. Like I don't know if it like maybe even a belt, but I don't want to do a belt. So it's like, it's cute, but I just feel like it's not it, you know? It's a little black one shoulder. This is the dress that I originally like looked at Amazon and was like, I want to wear that dress. It's like really short, so I'm a little afraid of that, but Other than that, it's really cute. This is like the #1 contender for my birthday. The pink one is for the dinner and show that we're doing the night before my birthday. But I want to do like a really cute black dress for my actual birthday dinner. So I'm thinking this one. We're also going to like the chandelier bar that night, so I feel like this would be a cute little number for that. Alright, and then here is the black little slip dress. You can't fully see it, but this one's really cute. I did have to do this one in a 3X because I'm bigger in my chest and in my midsection. But yeah, if you have not this going on, you could probably wear like your true to size. I had to size up. But yeah, this one's really cute. I'm thinking either this one or the little frilly one, the one before this, for birthday. I think these are both cute. Alrighty, so I think I'm gonna go with the black like frilly one and then the black long satin one. Those were my 2 favorite and my mom's 2 favorites. So yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and head over to Target because I have to pick up some personal care items and then also look for some shoes because I don't have any like cute dressy black shoes. I have like winter dressy shoes, but not like summer dressy shoes. So gotta go to Target and look for those as well. So Target was a bust. I don't know what it is about Target, but it's like whenever you don't have money or you're not going in there for anything, like they always have like the cutest stuff. They always have like all the stuff. But then when you have money and you actually need something from them, there's like never anything. It's like the weirdest phenomenon, I swear. I don't know. You guys let me know. Do you like have that experience too? Or is it just me? But anyways, it was a bust. Couldn't find any shoes, but I do have some in my closet that I guess I'll just have to make work. They were just like a suede, and I didn't want to like wear suede in the summer, but we're gonna have to do what we got to do. But yeah, your girl actually needs to get packing because it's like almost 8 o'clock and we're gonna try to leave at like 8 a.m. so that we can get to Vegas around noon, 1 o'clock ish. I'm not sure how bad like traffic's gonna be like leaving 4th of July, like the actual day, you know? So yeah, let me show you the shoes and then we'll get packing. So I have these, which I feel like will look cute with both dresses. So I'm gonna bring these and I'm gonna like peek around. I think these are only like cute, somewhat comfortable like heels that I have, so I'm probably just going to bring these ones. I really don't feel like unnesting all of these, but I just feel like it's absurd to bring my large one for such a short trip. So I guess we'll be doing that. And before anybody makes a comment, I clean my suitcases when I get back. So that's why they're on my bed. Moment that I'm realizing that I really wish I would have started shopping for my birthday a lot sooner than I did. Because it feels like I have nothing to wear. Like, nothing that's like cute, that, like, you know, that's like Vegas-y that I want to wear, you know? And that sucks because it's like 8 o'clock at night, which means there is nothing else we can do. So we are stuck with what we got. And we ain't got much. Also, I don't think I mentioned, this trip was like super last minute. So originally we were supposed to be just doing like dinner here in Phoenix, and then that kind of just like went to hell in a handbasket. And so I was just like, I kind of just like mentioned to my mom, I was like, what if we just went to Vegas? And she was like, that'd be fun. And so we booked the room like literally maybe last week, like not joking. It just sucks because it's like hella hot in Vegas right now. So it's like, you've got to dress for that weather. So I don't have a lot. As you can see, there's a lot of freaking black happening right here right now too. Like that's all I have. It's like black, some neutrals, but not even really that many neutrals. It's just kind of like all over the place. And it's funny because I just like decluttered my closet and I'm still looking at it and it's just like, this does not spark joy. Moving on from the clothes, I gotta pack my makeup next. But I did want to do my makeup. I'm going to leave here at 8, which means getting there around 12:30, 1 o'clock, which means our room won't be ready. but it is like a 4.5 hour drive. So it's like, do I really want to get like fully ready, drive 4.5 hours, and then like go and explore and do whatever for a few hours until like our room is ready? Or do I want to like get ready there, you know? So I'm like debating if I should leave my makeup out or put it in the bag now. I'm gonna bring my makeup kit thing here. I haven't been traveling with this lately because it does get heavy and weigh your like suitcase down and everything. It is kind of heavy, so when you're trying to like keep your suitcase under 50 pounds, it can kind of be a hindrance more than a help. So I haven't been traveling with it lately. I've been doing like this and then throwing the brushes in here, and it kind of works out. But since we're driving and the weight limit doesn't exist, I'm gonna go ahead and bring this. Alright, so I'm just trying to get my electronics organized here. This is my camera battery charger, but I'm not going to pack that yet because I need to charge this battery, and I have a secondary battery that also needs to be charged. This also needs to be charged, but it will be going in here. This is like my little like carry electronic bag. So like when I'm out and about, I carry this one with me because it has my extra SD cards, typically my extra battery, my battery pack, all that stuff goes in this, and then this goes in my purse. This guy, the bigger one, is where I keep all of like my charging cables to keep that organized, and my external hard drive. So that way, all of that's all nice and neat and packed together. And then usually my computer charger for my Mac will go here, but I don't think I'm gonna bring it this time because I don't really need it per se. I don't plan on editing while I'm there, so I'm probably not gonna bring it since I already have to bring my work computer. I think I'm just gonna bring the one computer and leave it be. So yeah, I gotta get all this stuff on the charger so I can charge overnight. And then am I missing any cables? I think we're about good. I'm gonna go through my list, go through everything one more time, make sure, but I think we're good.